Now the next topic in application of derivatives is to find equation of tangents and normal. If the line passes through point x0, y0, then equation of tangent is y minus y0, m, that is slope of tangent, x minus x0, and slope of normal minus 1 upon slope of tangent, x minus x0. x0 and y0 are the points from which the line is passes. Line is passing. So let us start with the questions. Equation of tangents and normals. Find the equation of tangent to the curve minus 5x square plus 6x plus 7 at point 1 by 2, 35 by 4. Now we want to find the equation of tangent which passes through this point. First find slope of tangent minus 10x plus 6. Now slope of tangent at the point 1 by 2, 35 by 4. X is 1 by 2. 6 minus 5, 1. Now equation of tangent passes through point 1 by 2, 35 by 4. Y minus y0, m x minus x0. यही हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है. So solve it. Y x minus 1 by 2 plus 35 by 4. Y is equals to x, take the LCM, minus 2 plus 35 plus 33 by 4. So we get 4y is equals to 4x plus 33. 4y minus 4x minus 33 is equals to 0. Or we can leave up to here also. Next is find the equation of tangent and normal. Y square is equals to 4ax at point a t square and 2at. Here we want to find equation of tangent and normal also. Differentiate 2y dy upon dx. Derivative of x is 1. 2a upon y. Now the given point is a t square and 2at. Y is 2at. So we get slope of tangent as 1 upon t. Now equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is passes through a t square and 2at. Y minus y0 dy upon dx x minus x0. यही होता है हमारे पास फॉर्मूला. So find the equation. Ty minus 2at square x minus at square. Ty minus at square plus 2at square. So plus at square. This is the equation of tangent. Now we want to find equation of normal. Y minus y0 minus 1 upon slope of tangent 1 upon t. X minus x0. Y minus 2at minus t x minus minus plus a t cube. So we get y plus tx is equals to 2at plus a t cube. Note it down. Now next one is find the equation of normal to the curve 2x square plus 3 sin x at x 0. Now this is the equation. First find differentiate Derivative dy upon dx 4x plus 3. Derivative of sine is cos. Derivative at x is 0. Cos 0 is 1. So 3 into 1, 3. Now we want to find equation of normal. When x is 0, then y is 2 into 0 square. Sine 0 is also 0. So y is 0. Equation of normal passes through point 0, 0. Y minus y naught. Normal minus 1 upon slope of tangent. So 3y is equals to minus x, or 3y plus x is equal to 0. Fourth one is find the equation of tangent and normal to 16x square plus 9y square is equals to 144 at x1 y1, where x1 is equals to 2 and y1 is greater than 0. x1 y1 will lie on this curve. x1 is 2. 2 square is 4. From here we can find the value of y1. 16 into 4. y1 square is 80 upon 9. So y1 is 4 root 5 upon 3. 4 root 5 upon 3. So this is the point from which the curve passes. Now we want to find the equation of tangent and normal. So differentiate the given curve to find dy upon dx. 16 into 2, 9 into 2, 18y. dy upon dx, derivative of constant term is 0. So 18y dy upon dx is equals to minus 32x. So dy upon dx at x1 y1 minus 32x1 upon 18 y1. Clear up to here? Now we have the value of x1 y1. Put the value. X1 is 2, y1 is 4 root 5 by 3 minus 32 upon 18. X1 is 2, y1 is 4 root 5 by 3. Clear? Minus 8 upon 3 root 5. Now equation of tangent. Y minus y naught m slope of tangent x minus x naught. यही फॉर्मूला होता है हमारे पास. So from here find the value of this 3y minus 4 root 5 upon 3 minus 8x minus minus plus 16 3 by root 5. From here we get 3 root 5y minus 4 into 5 20 minus 8x plus 16. Root 5y minus 8x 16 plus 20. So 8x plus 3 root 5y minus 36 is equals to 0. Now equation of normal. Y minus y naught minus 1 upon slope of tangent. So 3 root 5 goes in the numerator. X minus x naught. Minus minus will cancel here. 3 root 5x minus 3 into 2 6 root 5 upon 8. यही आया हमारे पास. Now solve this value. Cross multiply 8 into 3, 8 into 4, 3 into 3, 3 into 6. So 24y minus 9 root 5x. These two terms are with root 5, minus 18 plus 32. 32 minus 18, 14 root 5. So when this term goes on left hand side, minus 14 root 5. So slope of equation of normal is 24y minus 9 root 5x minus 14 root 5 equal to 0. Note it down. Next one is find the equation of tangent and normal to the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square 1 at x1 y1. Now x1 y1 will lie on this. Differentiate 2x upon a square, 2y upon b square, dy upon dx. Derivative of one constant term is 0. From here we get 2y upon b square is equals to this term. Now dy upon dx is b square upon a square x upon y. Clear? Now at point x1 y1 minus b square upon a square x1 upon y1. Now we want to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. Equation of tangent at x1 y1 y minus y naught m x minus x naught is x1 and y naught is y1 here. Now solve this equation. Cross multiply a square y y1 minus a square y1 square minus b square x x1 minus minus plus b square x1 square. So we get b square x1 square plus a square y1 square is equals to a square y1 plus b square x x1. This is the equation of tangent. If we divide this equation by a square b square, we are left with this equation. Clear? Now x1 y1 will lie on this curve. So x1 square upon a1 square, y1 square upon b1 square, that is equals to 1. Let this equation as 2. Use 2 here. This is equals to 1 plus x x1 upon a square. This is the equation of tangent. Now we want to find equation of normal. Y minus y1 minus 1 upon slope of tangent minus b square x1 a square y1 x minus x1. Negative sign will cancel here. So in the next step, what we get? B square x1y minus b square x1 y1 a square xy1 minus a square x1 y1. यही आया हमारे पास. Divide this by x1 y1. x1 y1 से हमने डिवाइड किया x1 y1. We are left with this Now b square y upon y1 minus a square x upon x1, b square minus a square. ये आया हमारे पास, और we can write it as a square x upon x1 minus b square y upon y1 is equals to a square minus b square. Now this is the equation of normal. Now next one is find the equation of tangent line to the curve x is equals to 1 minus cos theta, y is equals to theta minus sin theta, and theta is equals to pi by 4. Now we want to find the equation of tangent. First, to find the slope of tangent dy upon dx, that will be equals to dy upon d theta by dx. Differentiate x and y with respect to theta. Derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of cos is minus sin. Derivative of theta is 1, sin is cos. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 upon sin theta. Clear? Now we want to find the value of tangent at theta is equals to pi by 4. 1 minus cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So we get dy upon dx is equals to root 2 minus 1. Now at theta is equals to pi by 4, cos x has value 1 minus cos pi by 4. Root 2 minus 1 upon root 2, and y is x is pi by 4, theta is pi by 4, so pi by 4 minus 1 upon root 2. Now we want to find the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is y minus y naught. The equation passes through this point is equals to slope of tangent x minus x naught. ये formula हमारे पास. Now solve this equation. Y minus pi by 4 plus 1 by root 2. Root 2 minus 1 into x minus root 2 minus 1 whole square upon 2. Solve on the right hand side. A minus b square. A square plus b square minus 2ab upon 2. Clear? Root 2 minus 1x minus 3 by 2 minus minus plus 2 will get cancelled. So we get y minus pi by 4 plus 1 upon root 2. Root 2 minus 1 into x minus 3 by 2 plus root 2. This 1 by root 2 goes here, minus 1 upon root 2. Solve this. Minus 3 by 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 minus 1, 1 upon root 2. ये आया हमारे पास. Here we have root 2, not 2. Square root of 2 is there. So 3 upon square root of 2, and here we are left with 2. 3 upon square root of 2, and here we have 2. Minus 3 upon square root of 2. Note up to here first. This 1 by root 2. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 upon root 2 plus 2. We can write 4 as 2 into 2 and 2 as root 2 into root 2 upon root 2 is here. So we have left with 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 plus get y minus pi by 4 root 2 minus 1x. Take 2 common, root 2 minus 1. Note it down. Now the next one is find the equation of tangent and normal at point T on the curve A sin cube T, y is equals to B cos cube T. We want to find equation of tangent and normal at point T. Now dx upon dt, derivative of sine cube 3a sine square, derivative of sine is cos, 3 cos square t, derivative of cos is minus sine. Now dy upon dx, that is equals to dy upon dt into dt by dx. 3 will cancel, 1 sine and 1 cos, minus b upon a cos upon sine cot of t. Clear?